Hi everyone, welcome to our lesson 39. My name is Professor Robert, and today we will learn factoring a trinomial with leading coefficient of 1. All right, now let's get right into it. Let's look at the first example. 1 x squared plus 3x minus 10 is our trinomial, and the leading coefficient is 1. That's why we don't write it here as 1x. We just leave it blank. So we need to get two factors when multiplied together will give us our original trinomial. So look at the first element here, which is x squared. So that means in one parenthesis we have x and x in the other one, because when we multiply out x by x we will get x squared. Then we look for two numbers when multiplied together will give us minus 10, and when added together will give us positive 3. Now if it's 10 we have 2 and 5, but we want to aim at getting positive 3. So one of these must be negative and 2 should be the 1. So now, if that's the case, then we need to have a negative 2 in one of the parentheses and then a positive 5 in the other parenthesis. And you will have factorized our expression, our trinomial. And when you multiply out x by x, we have x squared. X by 5, we get 5x. And then minus 2 by x will get minus 2x. And then minus 2 times 5 will have minus 10. This will leave us with 3x positive. Then our x squared and then our negative 10. Okay, now let's look at second example. P squared minus 5p minus 6. We solve this still in the same way. We open up two parentheses. We look at our leading coefficient. It's 1. So we have p there and p there. And then we look for two numbers, which when multiplied together will give us minus 6. And when added will give us minus 5. So we have a 6 and a 1. When multiplied together will give us certainly 6. But we need to have negative 6. So again, we can choose first because minus 6, because we want to get a minus 5 here. So when you add 1 to minus 6, you get minus 5. So one of our answers will, one of our elements here will be 1, and then the other one will be minus 6. So you'll have factored your trinomial here you began with, because when p is multiplied by p, we get p squared. When p is multiplied by negative 6, we get negative 6p. And then when 1 is multiplied by p, we get positive p. And when 1 is multiplied by negative 6, we get negative 6. So minus 6p plus p will give us minus 5p. And we have a minus 6 there. And that will be our final answer. All right. Now, if this has helped you, don't forget to like, share with anyone you think needs it, and subscribe for more algebra made simple. See you in the next lesson, and bye for now.